So for this assignment, I served as a biological life story consultant for Louisiana Youth Leadership Program, and my job is to help young people understand how biology influences personal identity, family history, and future generations. By learning how our bodies work and how traits are passed from one generation to the next, people can make informed decisions about their health and their future. One of the most important biological concepts is DNA. DNA is the molecule that stores the genetic instructions for life. It tells our cells how to grow, develop, and function. DNA is organized into chromosomes, and each chromosome contains thousands of genes. Genes are responsible for many inherited traits, including eye color, hair, height, and even a person's risk for certain health conditions. Before cells divide, DNA goes through DNA replication. This process creates an exact copy of DNA so every new cell receives the same genetic information. DNA replication is important because it allows our bodies to grow, repair injuries, and replace damaged or worn out cells throughout our lives. Our cells also need energy to carry out these processes. The energy comes from cellular respiration, where cells break down glucose with oxygen to produce ATP, which is the main energy source for the body. ATP provides the energy needed for DNA replication, protein synthesis, muscle contraction, brain function, growth, and tissue repair. Without ATP, our cells will not be able to function, so cellular respiration is essential for sustaining life. Essential. Another important concept is inheritance. Inheritance is how genes are passed from parents to their children. Even though we inherit genes from our parents, no two people are exactly alike because of genetic variation. Genetic variation happens through mutations in genetic recombination, creating unique combinations of genes. This explains why siblings can look alike but still have different physical characteristics, abilities, and even different health risks. This assignment also relates to my own life because both of my parents were athletes and I currently play college football. Some of my athletic ability and physical characteristics may have been influenced by the genes I inherited from them. One challenge I have is gaining weight. Even though I eat well, lift weights, and train consistently, I have a difficult time gaining weight. While I can't say that that's caused by genetics alone, the traits I inherited, along with my body's energy needs and metabolism, they may contribute to it. Learning about cellular respiration has helped me understand that my body needs enough calories and nutrients to produce ATP so I have the energy to train, recover, and build muscle. This assignment also reminded me that although I can't change the gene I inherited, I can make healthy choices that support my goals, such as eating balanced meals with enough protein and calories, getting enough sleep, staying hydrated, and following a consistent strength training program. Because of these biological concepts, I recommend that participants in the youth leadership program learn about their family's medical history. They maintain healthy eating and exercise habits and attend regular medical checkups and understand how both genetics and lifestyle choices affect their overall health. Knowing your family history can help you recognize inherited health risks, while healthy daily habits support your body's ability to produce energy and stay healthy. In conclusion, biology helps us understand how life is sustained, how our identities are shaped, and how traits are passed from one generation to the next. DNA chromosomes, genes, and DNA replication, inheritance, genetic variation, and cellular respiration all work together to explain who we are and how our bodies function. By understanding these concepts and applying them in everyday life, we can make better decisions for ourselves, with our families, and help build healthier future generations.